here with the farmer.
Hello.
It's been a long, cold summer?
No.
Hot summer. And what have you been doing?
Been irrigating soybeans and rice.
Okay, we can't wait to see the fruit of the labor. He's gonna get a rice plant and bring it over here and tell us about it. Okay, are you gonna show us and teach us a little bit about what's going on this time of year on the farm?
Yeah, right now we're wrapping up irrigation on rice. In fact, we're draining fields. You can see this field out here. It's got mostly yellow with a little bit of green still there. But if you go out here and look at this rice plant, the plant's still green, but most of the rice is turning yellow.
See, he's saying this is green. Okay.
And this is your grain on the rice. See how the top's yellow and hard? And then it works its way down. You want to make sure you have enough moisture to finish up the crop. And 3/4 of this rice is already solid rice. And the bottom's still got a little bit work to do. But there's enough moisture out there in the field that we can drain the field and be okay.
And now I heard you say the bottom's not completely finished. So when you come out here to check the fields and to check the rice, you start from the top?
Yeah,
I mean,
it goes from solid, and then the lower you get, it gets a little milky. Well, that one's solid there. But like on this plant, it's a little milky. It's the beginning of it making a seed when it's milky, and then it turns chalky and solid.
I think we got a little on the camera. Okay, so are you saying this field is ready?
Yeah, it's ready to drain. It'll have enough to fill the rest out the plant.
In the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you about to do?
I'm gonna pull these boards. This is a perfectly flat field, so all the water is the same level.
What was that tarp about?
That just helps keep, sometimes water goes in between the boards, and that just keeps it in there a little better.
Okay, so you're pulling the boards?
Yeah.
Whoa! I hear water behind me.
And we're here, and I can actually irrigate my soybean field with it.
Whoa! Not wasting any water in these parts. Over some more boards.
There it goes.
Woohoo! That's a tough man right there. Woohoo! Did you get it? Do visit the beans also. Look at those little guys. He's out there checking the rice. You brought a whole plant to see us?
Yeah.
What is this?
This is red rice. This is not good for your crop. They dock you for this, and it's a yield killer. out in the field.
How do you know the difference?
Well, this stands up a lot taller in
Okay.
the field, and it matures faster, and the kernels are smaller and white.
Okay.
I mean, it's still edible, but when you shell it off, it looks black. So people don't know if they're actually eating rice or not, so no one wants to buy it.
Okay.
Right there.
That's that was crazy.
That's
I think we got a little on the camera.